Right, so today we're off to do some sort of shredder, electrical shredder machine thingy, my jiggle, my job. Right, I wanna. Oh shit, big pitting curb. Right, I want to address this. This something needs doing about this because this is absolutely dog shit. And I mean, watch this. This is GoPro for you. Wait a minute, let's see if I can focus in. It's not even bloody focusing. What's up onto the screen? What's up with pissing? What's up with this one now? I can't see it on this screen anyway, but that is... I don't know if you can see it. I can't see it on this screen. I don't know if it's picking up. Anyway, bar's full. You can see it's green. It's full to the top. Well, it's 88. Oh, it's 87% now. But it's 88% every time you press record. It'll do about 2 or 3 seconds. Well, I've just been trying to record a vlog, and it's absolutely doing my head in. Just pure shit. Ah, it's proving me wrong now. 87%. It's not going to go off now. About right, that innit? Yeah, it's just been going off about 3 or 4 times saying battery's flat, but obviously it's not flat because at 86%. Oh, it's gone off now, look. Battery low, 86% battery low. Come on, GoPro, what the pissing hell are you playing at? Right, so this is what we've got to do today. Clean this up. That thing there, you chuck all your crap in it, drops in there, munches it up, drops it onto that plate there, that vibrates all plastic to one side, and some other stuff, I don't know what happens. Then it drops it into here, it goes up to this bit, and that bit's like a belt that spins round and it's magnificated, and then up magnets, or bits of metal get stuck to it, and then goes up here and into an hopper, dropping, I don't know, copper I think, but that's the stuff what they throw in. They throw all that sort of stuff in it, and it munches it up and splits it out into different pieces, different piles. Right, let's make a start.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. I'm built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah. Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by
Lately I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling. I've seen a lot of people who don't know what work is. I've seen a lot of people who don't know what thirst is. I've had a taste of evil and tried to cure the sickness, but I just keep my head down and focus on the facts. I'm setting down gravel while you just follow the path. I'll lead them into battle while you're just too scared to act. I'll leave the knife right in my back. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling. Let's go, yeah. I'm like an addict, ooh, I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, cause that's what it takes.
can't say I'm not glad. I had to prioritise my time a little bit. Not hit as much on some areas. Just to make sure that we went round it all. Right, catch on next one. Shit, I forgot to put, it's actually what they call it. It's actually a genuine battery. I can never get the pissing things out. Genuine GoPro. It's not like it's a million years old because I've only had cameras 12 months. Time to get another one. See how good this one is. Oh look, genuine. This is a brand new one that came with Euro 10. Brand fire, well not brand fire new, it's probably about a month old. Brand new battery. It was fully charged last night. So it starts at day this, ain't even got on bleeding, ain't even got on job. Right. Let's look at this one, right. It's telling me shut it send down because the battery was flat, that's what it's saying on that screen. I don't know if you can read that because this screen's a bit shit on here anyway. Right, that one's at 96%. Let's try and do some recording, huh?